When you have Kidpower, clap your hands.
Hello. Shall we do some kid power? We've got an idea for some kid power today because we had a bit of a problem earlier. I'll show you the problem. Can you see what the problem is? Can you see Kid Power Turtle? All tucked up in his shell. And can you see everyone else over there behind? Just watching? Does anyone look like they're doing anything? No, I didn't think so either. Something's not quite right with Turtle. I don't think he's asleep. No, there's no snoring in there. For Turtle, and I know Turtle quite well, this is what he does when he's feeling left out and sad and alone. Wonder what could happen. Oh, who's this? Sheepdog. Sheepdog's noticed Turtle. Sheepdog's thinking, oh no, what's happening to Turtle? Wants to come and find out. Tapped on Turtle's shell. Turtle's little head popped out. Turtle, what's that? Are you okay? What's the problem? Oh, Turtle's so happy someone just came to be with him and even asked, are you okay? Well, said Turtle, I was playing with the others and then they said to go away, they didn't want me in their game. Oh dear, said Sheepdog, there is a problem. How about we play a game together? Happy Turtle, happy Turtle. Okay, so that was a really good example of Sheepdog using stand-up power. And that's the power that today was all about anyway. So thank you, Sheepdog. And thank you, Turtle, for letting Sheepdog help you so much. Oh, you're going to go off and play? Okay, bye. Have fun. Now, I think the others back there would have seen that and realised that, possibly they could have chosen to do something different. So remember, this is your homework, remember your stand-up power. If someone looks like they're having a bit of a problem with some others, or they're feeling a bit left out or a bit sad, you can go and just sit beside them or stand beside them or spend a little bit of time with them. And you can even, just like Sheepdog, you can even say, are you okay? All right, remember your stand-up power. Bye, bye.